Okay, let's give you some more examples here. You're trying to make X a subject. Um, just know that this formula here is different from this formula here. Uh, so your job is to make X a subject here and make X a subject over here. To do the one on the left, you have to visualize it as this. One bubble here, adding another bubble. Okay? The one on the right, you have to visualize it as this. The bubble exists inside here because of this square root sign. And there's a long line at the top. So the bubble here exists like this. Okay? So to do this one, you would get rid of this one here. Get rid of this bubble here. So it will be y minus 2a equals root x. Okay, and now you would square both sides. Remember, at the moment, it's this bubble here at the moment. When you square it, it means you times the exact bubble here. Okay, so that, what I'm trying to say is you've got to put these in brackets because this is the exact bubble times by itself. Okay, so here it will be x. Now the one on the right, here let's get rid of this square root sign by squaring both sides. So you will have this. X plus 2a. Okay, and now you can visualize it as one bubble adding this bubble. So kill off this bubble here. So y squared minus 2a equals x. Okay, so these two are slightly different. Okay, let's give you this one here. Let's say you're given this here. Make x a subject. Here, note that x is at the bottom of the fraction. So most likely you will need to take the reciprocal later on. So at the moment, visualize as this. One block, another block, and 5 is another block. It doesn't matter. You can visualize 5 as 5 over 1 if you wanted to. Okay? Because 5 divided by 1 is 5. So now you're trying to make x a subject, but x is stuck in this block here. So let's kill off this block. So take away 5 from both sides. So 2 over y, take away 5, okay, equals a over x. And now turn this into a fraction. Okay, hang on. Turn the 5 into a fraction. When you are here, you know that you've got to take the reciprocal because you want x to be on the top, so you can kill off the a. At the moment, x is at the bottom. You can't really kill off the x. So here here visualize it as this. One block taking away this block equals this block here. So let's turn this block into a fraction. So it will be 5 over 1. This one here would be 2. So now times top and bottom here by y, because we are trying to merge the two fractions together so that we can take the reciprocal. Because in order for you to use the reciprocal move, you can only have one fraction. At the moment, we've got 2. Okay. So let's merge these two fractions together. These two. So this would be 2 over y minus 5y over y. This would be a over x. And now the two denominators are the same. See, the two denominators are the same. So we can merge. Hang on, y. So 2 minus 5y equals a over x. Now you can take the reciprocal because you've only got one fraction on the left and one fraction on the right. So let's take the reciprocal. So it will be this x over 9, and now times both sides by 9. So it will be 9y over 2. To this equals that. Okay. Hang on, let's go back to this one here. So when you're given this here, okay. Suppose you're given something like this. Hang on. Let's say 2 over y equals let's say b over c minus a over x plus 5. It's getting ugly. So here, visualize it as this. Okay. And then you can see this one here. You've got a minus here. So it's a minus a block. So the first thing you should do is to add this block to both sides. Okay, because at the moment well, anyway, watch some of the early videos, and then you see what I mean. Here, if you're given this situation here, you should add this block to both sides. If you watch the previous videos, you understand why you have to do that. Okay.